Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please guys and subscribe. And so today guys, I come with good news. So guys, it was said that the renowned vocalist and media personality Nhlanhla Mafo has disclosed that she intended to walk down the aisle again, which indeed guys, it's the most greatest news you can ever hear. So in December guys 2022, Nhlanhla shared images from her family's Christmas photo shoot on social media. However, some users question the quality of the final images. So guys, it appeared that the last time that Nhlanhla found love again, and she was not yet ready to disclose the identity of the man that's in her life. All of the pictures guys had the man's face turned away from the lens, meaning who is who. Nonetheless guys, it was discovered in 2023 that Nhlanhla's man is actually Jerry and that they have known one another since they were young. It was also said that the two grew up together in Kagiso Mogale City. Nhlanhla announced the wonderful news that she would be walking down the aisle for the second time on social media, guys, which it was on Monday. So then they are no longer two but one flesh. Therefore, what God has put together, let no man separate. That's what she wrote after sharing a picture of herself, and the man was not showing. The man's face was not showing, but we can see Nhlanhla, and at the side there was a picture of Amaring. It's about to go down. But anyway guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this, and please guys to subscribe.